Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to my makeup room. Today, we're doing a very mini unboxing, and I have had technical difficulties, and I'll explain more about that as we get into the unboxing. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna physically unbox is gonna be this from Pixi by Petra, and I just ordered their mascara, their lower lash mascara, and that is it right there. And the reason why I ordered this mascara was because, excuse my nails, guys. If you wear black nail polish, you understand. You know what I'm going through. And this is in black details. And this wand is super teeny. And this is great for the lower lash. And this is what I use this for. This is the only thing I use on my lower lashes. And this is the Lower Lash Mascara by Pixi. And the color is in black details. So if you need a good mascara for your lower lashes, this would be it. Okay, I had to do my skincare today, and I had somewhere to go out to this morning, and I had to open it so I could put my cream on. But I have my melasma, skin sun damage, and hyperpigmentation. And this, if you have any of those things, I recommend you try this. This is from QRX Labs, and it is a skin whitening cream, and it will help lighten that darkness in your face. It really works. It's really amazing. So if you have any hyperpigmentation, sun damage, melasma, I recommend that you give QRX Labs a try. Their whitening cream. They also have a lot of other great products. I recommend you check them out on QRXLabs.com. Okay, and then we have that palette from blendbunny.com. From Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Guys, we have it right here. I'm a little sleepy, guys. I had a long morning. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to open her up. And if I can get in there. There we go. And I can't wait to see it. This is the back packaging. So it is the colors are Far Out, Phenomenon, Dreamlike, Enlighten, Translucent, and Apparition. That's amazing. Okay, and this is the front packaging from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Why can't I say Blend Bunny Cosmetics? Anyway, this is it. Okay, I'm going to do some quick swatches. Okay, the first one is here. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. That is Far Out. This is Phenomenal. This is Dreamlike. Ooh, this is gonna be my favorite. That is called Enlightened. This is Translucent. And one more, Apparition. And that is Apparition. Okay, and this is all of them. If my bracelets would move. I don't know if you can see them all, but that is all of them. And they're gorgeous. Yes, I am not disappointed. This was a great purchase. Thank you, Blend Bunny Cosmetics. This is a great palette. I'm already in love. Okay, guys, I had technical difficulties, like I told you. And the technical difficulties was not with the product. The technical difficulties was with my filming equipment. I was trying to film on my phone, and we all know that sucks. But I went and I got the camera, so that's what I'm using today. Right now. This not today, right now. This is what I'm using right now is the camera, not the phone. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that I already opened up the Lele Posh glitters, and then it's the phone started acting up. But these are them already swatched, and she sent me a gift. Frozen Flowers is the gift. This was the one she sent me as a gift. And this is her packaging. It is beautiful, as always. And these are what they came in. And these are the actual pans. 33mm pans. This is Frozen Flowers. This is Mushy. And this is Pisces. And I'm going to check just to make sure. Yes, I'm correct. I already know them already. This is Pisces. This is, let me check, make sure. This is Mushy. And that one is Frozen Flowers. Frozen Flowers is beautiful. And these are from Lele Posh. They came in this packaging. And these are their swatches. This is Frozen Flowers. This is Mushy. And this is Pisces. And they are gorgeous. That's what they are. And I'm going to tell you, if you think they are the same, they are not. This one is more of a purple base. This is more of a pink base. And Frozen Flowers are definitely a silver base. All beautiful. So yeah, I had problems right at the end of the swatching of this stuff. So guys, this is my unboxing. This one is the new palette that I had bought from, got this from Amazon.com. I bought especially for these. So this is their new home. And thank you, Lele Posh, for the beautiful note. I appreciate it so much. You're such a sweet lady. She's very sweet, you guys. Please go check out Lele Posh on TikTok, Instagram. Check out her products. They're beautiful. They're amazing. And again, I'm going to be ordering more. So, Lele, keep your eyeballs peeled for me, because I will be ordering more. Okay, so guys, have a great Wednesday, and I'll see you in the next unboxing. Thank you. Bye.